Hey, look, I know you've heard this before. Recession coming. Panic now. But what if I told you recessions are the best time to get rich? Yeah, you heard me. While 90% of people freeze like deer in headlights, the smart 10% are quietly stacking cash. Today, I'm handing you the 5-step cheat code banks don't want you to know. Miss even one? You'll regret it. Nail all 5? You'll sleep like a baby while everyone else burns. Let's go. First, let's get brutally honest. Recessions aren't bad luck. They're predictable. And right now, your bank is betting you'll fail. Why? Because they profit when you're desperate. But you're about to hack the system. Starting with step 1, the emergency fund myth. Step 1. Banks preach save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Cool story. But when 60% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency, that advice is garbage. Here's the truth. Start with $500 and call it FU money. Automate $20 a week. Use apps like Acorns to round up spare change. In 6 months, you'll have a cushion. Pro tip, hide it in a high-yield savings account. Banks hate this because they can't gamble with your cash. Psst. Ever notice banks have marble lobbies, but pay you 0.01% interest? Yeah, crime. Step 2, your job is a liability. Harsh? Absolutely. But if your income relies on a single boss or client, you're one layoff away from disaster. The fix? Monetize your laziness. Rent out your camera gear on Fat Llama, sell Canva templates for side hustlers, tutor rich kids in Fortnite. Snaps fingers. Boom, $300 a month. Do this, and recessions become a spectator sport. But wait, what's draining your account faster than a recession? The answer's worse than you think. Step 3, debt is not a tool. Banks love selling you low-interest loans like they're doing you a favor. Newsflash, debt is quicksand. Pay minimums, you'll die with it. Here's your weapon, the debt torpedo. Attack your smallest balance first. Crush it. Roll that payment into the next debt. If you don't, compound interest will eat you alive. Fun fact, the word mortgage literally means death pledge. Coincidence? Nope. Step 4, invest in chaos. When markets crash, most people sell. You buy, but not stocks. Think recession-proof. Farmland ETFs, laundromats, even dental practices. Boring, maybe, but boring beats bankrupt. And if you're brave, learn put options. They're like insurance for your portfolio. Just don't tell Wall Street I told you. But none of this matters without step 5. This one's illegal in 3 states. Kidding. Maybe. Step 5. Build a tribe. The rich don't survive alone. They have lawyers, accountants, mentors. You need your own Justice League. Find a CPA who hates the IRS. Befriend a real estate agent who offloads foreclosures. Slowly. Remember, your network is your net worth. Without it, you're just a guy with a savings account. So let's recap. Save $500, monetize your time, nuke debt, invest in boring, and build your army. Do this, and recessions become your golden ticket. But if you're ready to go deeper, I've got something explosive. Imagine a house that costs $20,000. Not a shed, a real home, 3D printed, and it's about to wreck the housing market. Tap the screen next. This is bigger than crypto. See you there.